Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start sewing up my entire fall collection. So I have a lot of work to do. I also want to start designing the bookmarks that are going to be going with my fall collection. I want to design a bunch of bookmarks to be included as the freebie with the book sleeve. This is something I did for my first collection and I just thought it was really fun and it kind of a special little surprise in your book sleeve order. So I need to do that. I have a bunch of designs I need to illustrate. Doubt I will get to all of those in this video. I at least want to get to one of the matching bookmarks to one of the book sleeves so you guys can kind of see my process for illustrating bookmarks. But before all of that, I have some orders to pack, 4 orders total, a bunch of bookmarks and stickers, wristlet, book sleeve. So I want to get this done first. That way these orders are ready to go out tomorrow. So the first order is for Amanda. Amanda got 4 different bookmarks. So let's go ahead and pack this one up. Okay, this next order is for Krista. Krista ordered one of the discounted book sleeves. I included a few up on my shop where maybe it had like a little open seam, or like this one had an open seam on the bottom that I tried to repair. For anyone that doesn't really mind a little mess up here and there. So Krista ordered this book sleeve as well as the strawberry reading tracker bookmark. Also a pumpkin season bookmark laminated. So I don't have one of those made. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that and then we'll pack up Krista's order. This next order is for Gabriella. This is actually Gabriella's 4th order, so thank you so much. It is such an amazing feeling when you guys return and continue to support my small business. So Gabriella got the black cherry wristlet, 2 different stickers, the pink flowers and the flower bouquet, and the musical mushroom washi. Final order is for Cheyenne. There are all kinds of different ones, a bunch of animals, some fall ones. So I'm gonna get all of these picked out and see what I need to make. Okay, I got a ton of stickers here. So out of all of these, I am missing 3. So I need to make the elephant sticker, fall fox, and monarch butterfly. So I need to do that and then also cut out the cherry cow. Because this might be one of my first orders that actually ordered a fruit cow sticker pack, which comes with every cow that I have. So the banana cow, blueberry, strawberry, lemon, and cherry. So I just need to cut out finished packing up all of my orders, so now I'm nice and cozy on the couch, probably gonna put on a show or just some kind of background noise while I illustrate my bookmarks. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday you probably saw I did finish illustrating this bookmark. The only thing different I did after the camera died was add some little white pumpkins because that book sleeve design actually have a piece of the fabric. There are a few white pumpkins and then like gingham pumpkins, so I wanted to just add more than just all orange. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. We'll print it and see how it looks with this book sleeve design. Then I also started on this bookmark, which I think is going to be really cute, and that's the matching one to this book sleeve. I'll probably finish this bookmark throughout the week. That way we can go ahead and get to sewing because I have a ton of sewing to do. So I'm going to save that for the week. I do think I'm going to go ahead and print the bookmark set that I have done. That way we can see how it looks, and then I can see if I want to change it a little bit and work on it some more throughout the week. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna get to sewing. My plan is to do 3 different wristlet designs. I did get another fabric that I think is really cute and will be perfect for wristlets. I think I'm gonna do 3 to 5 of each wristlet design. And then for the book sleeves, as long as I have enough fabric for each one, I'm gonna do 2 small and 2 large of each design. So let's go ahead and just get started because I have a ton of work to do. So I need to stop yapping. But one other thing, for the fall TBR wrap-up bookmark, I'm probably not gonna get to that today. Those ones take me a little bit longer to illustrate, so I'm gonna work on that throughout the week, and probably the October and maybe even just a spooky one. So we'll see on that, but I'm gonna for sure get all of the freebie bookmarks done throughout the week. That way, whenever I do this launch, you will have your freebie little special bookmark to go with it. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and print this one bookmark, see how it looks, and then we'll get to sewing. So for all of my freebie bookmarks, I make those with 140-pound cardstock, and they are not laminated. So that way, if you order the book sleeve and you don't like laminated bookmarks, I just wanted to make sure I did the matte version. That way it's more universal. And I know a lot of people don't like laminated things, like the feel of it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and send it to the printer and print it out. And I'm ready to print. So I'm hoping they're gonna look cute. If not, I can always change it up throughout the week. Okay, so I actually think this turned out pretty cute. So here's the fabric and then the matching bookmark. So I really like it. I think it's cute. As you can tell, the background is not fully black. I had to do a little bit more of like a grayish color. If I do black, the texture is a lot more noticeable. I think it looks pretty cute and will be a great bookmark for a freebie. So let me go ahead and cut these out. To do more than just 2 wristlets. It is this like green with a little teapot and leaves and pumpkins, candles. I thought it was really cute for fall. I might even do some book sleeves in this fabric. I think this could be really cute as a book sleeve. Same with these two. So we'll see kind of where we're at once I cut out all the wristlets I want. But I'm gonna do this one first because I haven't seen how it's gonna look yet, and I just think it's really cute. I love how this one turned out, and I do have some more fabric left, so I might make 1 or 2 book sleeves in this fabric. I just think it's really cute, and it's giving me like cozy fall day vibes, which would be perfect for reading and using your book sleeve. And then you all have seen the candy corn, and I'm still debating on the name. I'm just not really sure on this one yet, but you have seen these ones, which are also really cute. I love the little candy corn ones. I'm just a huge fan of like pink, as you probably have noticed. So I think this one turned out really cute. So those are all of the wristlet designs that are going to be launching for my fall collection. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it at 3 each. I do have more wristlets already clipped, and I just need to sew them. So I may do those and just have plenty since they're already ready to go. But for now, for this video, I did 3 of each. And yeah, let's get to sewing the book sleeves. I've shown you guys all of the other book sleeve designs, so I want to start with the new ones. So I did go to Hobby Lobby on Saturday and purchase some inner lining. So for this one, I got this like rustic kind of reddish brown color to hopefully match the trees in this fabric. Then for the moth fabric, I picked out this golden color, which matches the bottom wings of the moss and the leaves. So let's go ahead and sew up these 2 book sleeves and see how the inner lining looks. both of these book sleeves turned out really cute. So let me show you a close-up of my entire collection, and then that will be it for this video. Everything is launching on September 13th, so that is Saturday at 10 a.m. So we'll have some book sleeves and then the wristlets you saw. So yeah, let me show you everything.